The most common issue in replacing the Audi A4 key fob battery for 2008-2017 models is opening the case, which often gets stuck due to aging plastic latches. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Locate the small notch or button on the fob's side. Press firmly while gently prying it open. If the case is stuck, especially in humid climates, apply gentle heat with warm water or a hairdryer to soften the plastic. You can also use a lubricant like WD-40 sparingly. Avoid excessive force to prevent damage. With the key fob case open, locate and carefully remove the old CR2032 battery using a small tool or your fingernail. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive terminal faces up. The battery markings will show the correct orientation. Close the case and test the remote by pressing the lock or unlock buttons. The car should respond with lights flashing or horn beeping. If the remote fails to work, reprogramming may be needed. Access the vehicle's OBD2 port under the dashboard and use diagnostic software or take it to a dealer. Always use a high-quality, authentic CR32 battery to avoid failures. Counterfeit batteries are common and unreliable. Before closing the case, apply a small amount of lubricant to the joints to prevent future sticking.